here's our back room. I gotta take down all of these birthday stuff for Jay's birthday from August. Haven't dusted. We just been living here, been doing a lot of things. I've been going in and out real quick. It's been ashy outside, so we have our shoes I need to put away. We had date night the other night, so I gotta put all that stuff away. It's been a real struggle to feel like cleaning. I mean, tidying is no problem. I get that done every day, but as you can see, I'm a bit slacking. And although that is okay, as we're staying indoors from the heavy smoke and ash lately, our house is a bit on, let's say, the dusty side. The air quality has been so bad for the last 2 weeks. I mean, today they tell us the San Francisco Bay Area will have cleaner air for the upcoming few days. So I wanted to get some cleaning and dusting in before so. I cannot wait, you guys, to open up our blinds, the curtains, and windows once again. My dishwashing routine remains the same. I unload the clean dishes in the morning, and then I reload throughout the day. I mean, it's the same old, nothing new. But today, for some extra motivation, I'm listening to some 80s and 90s music just to get me through. I try to do all my heavier chores in the morning before I shower and get dressed or put on any makeup. I hate getting all dressed up and then get dirty or perspire afterwards, so I'm not sure if any of you do the same. That means there are times I don't get ready until like noon, like today. I knew I wanted to speed clean and get as much as I can possibly get done before noon. So into sweats and the hair in a ponytail, and let's go. I'm a full-time family caregiver to my mom, so in between some of these shots, I'm stopping to care for her. Then, of course, our house phone keeps ringing, and yes, we have a house phone. Then the pest control service arrives to do our quarterly spray. Geez, seems like it's just another typical day for me.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I decided to use this old Tupperware container to store all my garden seeds. It seemed to fit perfectly. Check out my garden playlist if you're into gardening like I am this year. We've been growing all sorts of vegetables and fruits. So funny. I used one of my mom's knee-high pantyhose to support one of our growing watermelons on our trellis. It has been a total laugh each time we go see the watermelon. My mom is like, no! We had so much fun about that one.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
I really need to deep clean our oven soon. Perhaps I'll film that for my upcoming Vlogtober videos. Time to start thinking about fall, y'all, and making that turkey dinner. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, people. I'm not sure why I see 11/11 or 1/11 like almost every day. It's a trip. Of course, I see it again as I'm filming right now, but maybe I need to go play lotto on it. Just kidding.
No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no.
Okay, I don't normally always dust my ceilings, but like I said, it's been extremely poor air quality, full of falling ashes from all the California wildfires. So, I felt the need to do an extreme dusting of the back room, including our ceilings. Plus, after all my hard work redoing the caulking and the painting of these beautiful wooden beams, you bet I'm keeping them nice looking. You can check out that whole refresh of our back living room here in our home improvement playlist. They're sort of older videos, but you'll see all the house projects we've been doing there. I'm really getting into my dusting now. I'm not going to lie, it's been several weeks since I've done a full dusting of the whole house, and I can see and feel the difference as I'm going. Isn't that weird how we get more into our cleaning as we go? Sometimes I find myself to focus on one thing to clean, and then minutes later, I'm like cleaning a whole entire other area, and so on, and so on, and so on. Are you the same way? Let me know in the comments down below. almost like some sort of cleaning mojo that took over on its own. It could sneak up on you at any moment, so be careful. Watch out. Just kidding. I guess today my cleaning mojo came back. Hello, old friend. Clean with Dee Day today. This is probably one of my little favorite corners of our home. My two plants really love this spot as well. The baby tears plant in the yellow smiley pot, I've named him Curly. It really grew long. Looks like he has long hair now. He totally makes me smile. I hate dusting the wooden blinds or any kind of blinds really, but man oh man does it look much better now. I think the mentality of it all will help me feel I can breathe a little better in the house, even though the smoke is still lingering outside. At this point, today was a day to get back into my cleaning and enjoy the upcoming clearer days ahead.
Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
This is a great start. I'll have to vacuum and mop later, but right now I need to put my caregiver hat back on and continue our day. Click that subscribe button to see more videos and a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, a last load of laundry. And I think, you guys, that's a wrap. That's a wrap for me. I have lots of other things I gotta get done. Hopefully this motivated you.